So, hey guys, uh, today our topic is doping and impure semiconductor. So, we have studied about pure semiconductor that if silicon is bonded with four other silicon atoms like this, so they will make a pair of electrons, and this structure will be so large and making a macromolecule. So what if we use if we use another element instead of silicon? Yes, we can. So adding an impurity in a semiconductor, it will make an impure semiconductor. Or a process of adding impurity in a semiconductor is called doping. So we can say that impurity like boron we can say that boron is an impurity, or we can add boron has three valence electrons and silicon has four valence electrons. So if it has three electrons, one two three, this is not electron. Okay, so this will make a bond with this will make a bond with this, and this will make a bond with this. But what about this? Silicon has one electron left. So what will this boron get? This boron will make a hole instead of getting paired. So this electron will be attracted to this hole, as this hole has positive charge. This hole contain a positive charge. So this is a trivalent impurity. Impurity is also types like trivalent and pentavalent impurity. Trivalent impurity are those which in which valence electron has three electrons. Valence electron is valence shell has three electrons. So this impurity is called trivalent, and pentavalent is the impurity. Pentavalent, penta means five. So pentavalent impurity has five electrons in valence shell, like nitrogen, phosphorus, and many other. Okay. So if in this uh, in this diagram we have drawn about trivalent atom, what if we uses pentavalent? What is the difference between tri and pentavalent in this structure?